Pixie haircuts are more than just a short hairstyle. They are a symbol of confidence, elegance, and modern beauty. In this video, we are exploring some stunning pixie haircut ideas that can completely refresh your look and give you a stylish new vibe. If you are thinking about changing your hairstyle, a pixie cut might be the perfect choice for you. A pixie haircut is known for its short length, but within this style, there are many variations that suit different personalities and face shapes. Some people prefer a soft and natural pixie, while others go for bold and edgy looks. The beauty of a pixie cut is that it can be customized in many ways to match your personal style. One of the most loved styles is the soft layered pixie cut. This haircut adds gentle layers that create movement and texture, making the hair look light and airy. It is perfect for those who want a simple yet elegant look. You can easily style it with your fingers and a little bit of product, making it ideal for daily wear. Another beautiful option is the side-swept pixie cut. In this style, the front section of the hair is kept slightly longer and swept to one side. This creates a very graceful and feminine appearance. It also frames the face nicely and works well with almost all face shapes, giving a soft and charming look. For a more modern and bold appearance, you can try a choppy pixie cut. This style includes uneven layers that give a textured and edgy finish. It looks very trendy and is perfect for those who like a messy, carefree hairstyle. You can style it in different ways to create new looks every day. If you want a balanced look between short and long hair, a tapered pixie cut is a great idea. In this style, the hair gradually becomes shorter towards the neck while the top remains a bit longer. This creates a clean and structured appearance while still giving you styling options on top. For those who love experimenting, adding bangs to a pixie cut can completely change the overall look. Short bangs give a bold and stylish feel, while longer bangs create a soft and romantic vibe. Bangs also help in highlighting your eyes and facial features. Hair color plays an important role in enhancing pixie haircuts. Subtle highlights can add dimension, while bold colors can make your style stand out. Shades like warm brown, golden blonde, or even soft pastel tones can give your pixie cut a fresh and modern touch. Styling a pixie haircut is very easy and quick. With just a little effort, you can create a polished look for formal events or a messy, relaxed style for casual days. This makes pixie cuts perfect for people who want a fashionable look without spending too much time on styling. Pixie haircuts also give a very fresh and youthful appearance. They highlight your face and bring attention to your natural beauty. It is a haircut that shows confidence and helps you stand out in a simple yet powerful way. No matter your age or hair type, a pixie haircut can be a beautiful transformation. It is all about choosing the right variation that suits your personality and makes you feel comfortable and confident in your own style.